Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to provide more information about lathe machines of Voltz brand. You can check out different models of lathe machine. Please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information and you will check out the real performance of this product. If you like this video, then do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start with first unboxing model of wood lathe machine, model number MCS450. Price of this lathe machine on Amazon is showing 31,990 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. The box contents are wood lathe machine model number MCS450 one piece. Material is cast iron. Cable length is 850 mm. Dimensions are length is 750 mm. Width is 200 mm. Height is 380 mm. The power of this motor is 550 watt. Gross weight is 35 kg and net weight is 32 kg. The 5 grade speeds are available. 760 to 3200 RPM is available. Adjustable belt can be adjustable with ease and accuracy within 3200 RPM. The next model of wood lathe machine model number is MCS-1000-1. Let's open this box. Price of this lathe machine on Amazon is showing 16,890 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. You can check out the dimension of this machine in this image. Distance between the working area is 40 inch. Box contents are wood lathe machine model number MCS450 one piece. Material is cast iron. Motor is 400 watt. It supports input voltage 230 volt. 4 variable grade speeds are available from 890 RPM to 2600 RPM. Adjustable belts can be adjustable with ease and accuracy within 2600 RPM. Steel solid construction. Packet dimension is 55 cm is length, 20 cm is height and 20 cm is width and weight is 21 kg. Let's check it out the last model number MC1218VD. This is digital readout benchtop wood lathe machine and material is heavy duty cast iron. A powerful 550 watt motor with electronic variable speed spindle control and a digital RPM readout for precise speed adjustment make this lathe machine a top choice. Solid steel construction. Heavy duty cast iron construction and rubber feet provided increased stability and smooth turning operation. Some features: 550 watt strong power, stepless speed regulation, variable spindle speed of 650 to 3800 RPM, speed infinitely variable, easy to read via digital speed display with high precision, able to turn out standard qualified works, longer operating life. The price of this lathe machine showing on Amazon is 46,500 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. The gross weight of this machine is 38.5 kg. Please check the dimension of this machine on this image. Distance between the center is 18 inch. Swing over bed is 12 inch. Tool rest 6 inch and face plate is 3 inch. You can see different parts of this machine on this image. Let's see the real-time performance of this machine.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.